Hi my angels, welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here and today I'm again back with another Eid makeup look for you guys. As you can see, this is a very bold eye makeup look with blue and pink. I absolutely loved creating this look because it was very easy and simple. Again, I have created this eye makeup look with only 2 palettes and it's all colorful. As you can see, I hope you guys will surely enjoy this video, and if you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and even comment down below what you enjoyed the most in this video, and even subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever I come up with a new video, and even follow me on all my social media handles. Everything is there in the description box. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. Now I'm going to show you how you can achieve this simple eye makeup look yet very elegant and colorful. So yes, now let's start with the first eyeshadow palette. For the first one, I'm going with Makeup Revolution Temi X Tropical Carnival palette. Taking this blue first, and I'm applying this on the socket of my eyes. Even you can call it the crease area, just on the hollows of your eyebrow bone. Making a nice arch by running this color. Next, I am going with the other blue from the same palette and applying that a bit higher than the previous shade. Next, I am going with another blue from Makeup Revolution Color Chaos palette, and I'm going to blend all the 3 colors together so it's nice and gradienty, and applying this little more higher than both the previous shades. And even don't forget the outer corner. You don't need an elongated V, just make sure that you're making a nice round, and you can see how I'm working with the brush. Next, I'm going to cut the crease with some concealer. For that, I'm taking Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium. You can go for any other concealer as well. And you already know the drill how I cut my crease. Now I'm going to make a nice shape and fill it in. Now I'm going to apply this pink shade from Makeup Revolution Color Chaos palette again. Now again from the previous palette, I'm going with this purple shade and applying this on the outer eyes. Now let's tight line and waterline my eyes, and for that I'm taking Maybelline Colossal Kajal. Now let's smoke out the lower lash line, and for that I'm going to repeat all the colors I have applied on my upper lids area. So first I'm going with that dark blue on the outer corner of my eyes, and then the light blue shade from the same palette. Then going with the purple shade and applying that on the mid of my eyes. and the pink shade for the inner corners. Then I'm going to draw a wing liner with Lakme 925 liquid liner, and this is going to be a nice elongated wing. Now let's apply some glitter, and this is the Miss Claire Pearl Glitter Eyeliner in the shade 16, and we'll apply this on the arch of the cut crease. Now to finish off my eyes, I'm going to apply some mascara, and this is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. So guys, this was the blue and pink colorful eye makeup look for Eid. I have created another look which is there in this eye right here. You can check that out. It's an Arabic eye makeup look with pop-off green, and it looks amazing. I enjoyed creating both the eye makeup look for you guys. So do visit my channel and watch this, and even don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed this video. I'm sure you did it. And even don't forget to follow me in all my social media handles, especially on Instagram, because I'm doing 100 days of makeup challenge over there, and I'm sure you're going to love it. So please do follow me there and let me know in the comment section that you have come from my channel. And yeah, that's it for this video. Wish you all a very happy and prosperous Eid. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, love you all. Take care. Mwah. Bye.